Namaste everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are embarking on a journey to explore one of the India's most iconic and sacred natural wonders, the Ganga river system. In this map you can clearly see the drainage pattern of the river Ganga, which has the many tributaries from left side and right side also, and it drains its water into the Bay of Bengal. Now we will look at the more informative things about the river Ganga. The Ganga is the most important river of India both from the point of view of its basin and cultural significance. The Ganga river, often referred to as the Ganges, is not just a river, it's a lifeline, a source of spirituality and a vital part of Indian culture. The Ganga River flows through the northern region of India, originating from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas and meandering down to the Bay of Bengal. Its journey is enriched by numerous tributaries, including the Yamuna, Gandak, and Kosi, which contribute to its majesty. The Ganga Basin begins its journey from the Gangotri Glacier, located at an elevation of 13,000 feet in the Himalayas. The Gangotri Glacier near the Gomukh is present or situated in the Uttarkasi district of the Uttarakhand. Here it is known as the Bhagirathi. It cuts through the central and the lesser Himalayas in the narrow gorges. At Devprayag, the Bhagirathi meets the Alaknanda. Hereafter, it is known as Ganga. The Ganga enters the plains at Haridwar. From here it flows first to the south, then to the southeast and east before splitting into the two distributaries, namely the Bhagirathi and another one is Padma. The river has a length of 2,525 kilometers. It is shared by Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. The Ganga basin covers about 8.6 lakh square kilometer area in India alone. The Ganga river system is the largest in India, having a number of perennial and non-perennial rivers originating in Himalayas in the north and the peninsula in the south, respectively. The Son is its major right bank tributary. The important left bank tributaries are the Ramganga, the Gomati, the Ghagra, the Gandak, the Kosi, and the Mahananda. The river finally discharges itself into the Bay of Bengal near the Sagar Island. The Yamuna, the westernmost and the longest tributary of the Ganga, has its source in the Yamunotri Glacier on the western slopes of Banderpunch Range. It joins the Ganga at Prayag, also known as Allahabad. It is joined by the Chambal, the Sindh, the Betwa, and the Ken on its right bank, which originates from the peninsular plateau, while the Hindan, the Rind, and the Sengar, the Varuna, etc., joins on its left bank. The Chambal rises near the Mao in the Malwa Plateau of the Madhya Pradesh and flows northward through a gorge upward of Kota in Rajasthan. The Gandak comprises two streams, namely Kali Gandak and the Trishul Ganga. It rises in the Nepal Himalayas between the Dhaulagiri and Mount Everest and drains the central part of Nepal. It enters the Ganga plain in Champaran district of Bihar and joins the Ganga at Sonpur near Patna. The Kosi is an antecedent river with its source to the north of the Mount Everest in Tibet, where its main stream Arun rises. After crossing the central Himalayas in Nepal, it is joined by the Son Kosi from the west and the Tamur Kosi from the east. It forms the Sapt Kosi after uniting with the river Arun. The Damodar occupies the eastern margins of the Chota Nagpur Plateau, where it flows through a rift valley and finally joins the Hooghly. The Barakar is its main tributary. Once known as the Sorrow of Bengal, the Damodar has been now tamed by the Damodar Valley Corporation, a multi-purpose project. The Mahananda is another important tributary of Ganga, rising in the Darjeeling Hills. It joins the Ganga as its last left bank tributary in West Bengal. The Son is the largest south bank tributary of the Ganga, originating in the Amarkantak Plateau after forming a series of waterfalls at the edge of the plateau. It reaches Ara west of Patna to join the Ganga. In in conclusion, the Ganga river system is not just a body of water, it's a symbol of India's culture, spirituality, and resilience. It's our responsibility to protect and cherish its generations to come. Thankful various organizations and government are actively involved in the initiative to restore the glory of the Ganga. For example, the government of India's project known as the Namami Gange program. Managing and preserving the Ganga river system is a complex challenge as it faces issues like urbanization, climate change, and water scarcity. However, pollution has become a grave concern. Efforts are underway to clean and regenerate the river through initiatives like Namami Gange program as we discussed earlier. The Ganga river system also plays a vital economic role supporting agriculture, transportation and industry along its banks. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the Ganga River system. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.